So I was cleaning up the garden a little bit, and then I noticed that one of the cauliflowers is coming in already right there. But the leaves are getting, or the broccoli leaves are blocking the cauliflower leaves. So I had already harvested the broccoli heads, and these are just the broccolinis, the baby broccolis that come after the big head gets harvested. So I'm thinking that we will be cutting this broccoli and this broccoli right here. That way the nutrients go into this cauliflower head, and then the leaves are able to be by themselves with nothing in the way. So I will be cutting that right now. Here's one. Here's one of the broccoli plants. One. And also make room for blocking here. Next up on here. And then we're gonna harvest this one. Okay. Here's important to cut it at the root. That way the soil feeds on the roots. Okay. So here's the other one. Broccoli harvest. And now these parsleys are able to grow, as well as that red cabbage. These strawberries are able to get more sunlight. This was the harvest from the 2 broccoli plants. You could make these into like some fries, vegan fries, but since I already have a lot of leaves and broccoli, as you can see a little bit, I'm gonna just use this, some sauteed greens or some smoothies, and then I will be throwing this in the compost bin to be composted.